everyone, it's really good to see you here all. So in today's video we are going to learn how we can host any of our project free of cost on GitHub. So let's see how we can do it. But before diving into it, if you haven't subscribed the channel, do so and let's get started. So here we have our index.html file and one image. Now what I want is I want to host this. So you have to open the project repo and then go on settings. Here you can see so many different things like branches, tags and so on in code and automation. Just go down. Here you can see pages. Just click on it. Now save. So you can select the branch here. I am selecting master. After refreshing, you got one link and here it is. My website got automatically hosted in free of cost. So this is how we use GitHub to host our websites. And this is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.